Did you know that one medieval king turned an entire region into a graveyard so barren that nothing grew for 20 years? In 1069, William the Conqueror faced rebellions across northern England. His response was so brutal it became known as the Harrying of the North. William's army swept through Yorkshire like a plague. They burned every village to ash. They slaughtered cattle, sheep, and horses. They destroyed grain stores and salted the earth so nothing could grow again. The winter of 1069 became a nightmare. Survivors wandered through smoking ruins, finding nothing but death. Desperate families ate dogs and cats. When those ran out, they turned to something unthinkable: human flesh. The Domesday Book, written 20 years later, tells a horrifying truth. Vast stretches of Yorkshire were still empty wastelands. Villages that once thrived were marked simply as waste. Historians estimate 100,000 people died, making this medieval England's worst man-made disaster. William didn't just crush a rebellion, he erased an entire civilization from the map, leaving scars that lasted generations.